Hello guys, today I'll be showing how you can make free AI pictures with this software which they call Focus. So first of all you need to open your browser, you type GitHub or you can write there Focus, click on the GitHub. You see now it's on the GitHub. You can check the page if you like it, there is lots of stuff. I will show you the easiest way. So first of all you need to click on the download button, which is here. It's done. You just open it. So you will see this folder here. You just extract it where you want to install it. You just click on extract. You just wait. You need to open the run file. So click on it. You just run it anyway. It's gonna download some files for the AI. It's some fusion stuff. Alright, so first of all, it's so easy. You just need to click on the type prompt and you can write anything what you want. I just write it there, dog with a huge ears and big eyes. You just press generate and you will see it's already generating the picture. Later you can choose your quality on the picture, size of the picture, lots of different things. You can upscale it, downscale it. Now I'm trying elf in the forest eating a fish.